Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture of Class 5 Mathematics Number System. Let us see what all topics we have to learn in this chapter. We have Indian system of numeration. Then we will learn about the international system of numeration. Then we will see the place values and face values of those numbers. Then we will learn about expanded and short forms of the number. We will learn about comparing numbers and estimation of numbers. And the last thing in this chapter will be Roman numerals. Let us start with 7 and 8 digit numbers. 1 followed by 6 zeros is the smallest 7 digit number. We call it as 10 lakh in the Indian system of numeration, and we call it as 1 million in the international system of numeration. 1 followed by 7 zeros is the smallest 8 digit number. We call it as 1 crore in the Indian system of numeration, and we call the same number as 10 million in the international system of numeration. Let us learn about the place values. We will start with the Indian system of numeration. I have written down the place value chart for the Indian system of numeration. It is divided into ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. Ones period has ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period will have thousand and 10,000. Lakhs period will have lakhs and 10 lakh. Crores period will have crore and 10 crore. Let us represent one number in this number system. We will use commas to separate the periods. Let us see how we will write the given number. I have 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. I have to write it using the Indian system of numeration. So, according to the Indian system of numeration, my first comma or my first period should be after 3 digits. That is after ones, tens, hundreds. That is the third digit. So my first comma should be after 3 digits. The second comma I have put after the thousands period. So I have 1000 and 10,000 in the thousands period. Next, I have to separate the lakhs period. So I will put commas after the next 2 digits. Now, let us try to write this in words. This will be 6 crore 78 lakh 34,598. Let us represent this given number in the place value chart. So I'll write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So 6 is in the crores place. Then I have 78 lakh 34,598. Now let us see how we will write the expanded form of this number. Now, in the expanded form, let us write the expanded form of the number. To write the expanded form, you will simply multiply each digit with its place value. There is a shortcut of doing this. Write down the given number. So I've written 6 multiplied by 1. Now I will count how many digits are there after 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So I will simply write down 7 zeros after that 1. Continue doing this for each digit. So this is how you will write the expanded form. You will multiply the digit with their place values and add them up. Now let us learn about the place values in the international system of numeration. I have written down the place value chart for the international system of numeration. Here I have ones period, thousands period, and after that I have millions period. Now, ones period has ones, tens, and hundreds. Three digits in ones period. Then I have thousands period. Unlike the Indian system where we have only two digits, here I have three digits in thousands period. So there is thousand, 10,000, and 100,000. So in Indian system we have lakh over here. But in the international system we have hundred thousands. Next, we have the million period. So we have million, 10 million, and 100 million. So in the international system of numeration, each period will have three digits. So it is easy to put commas. You will always put commas after three digits. Let us see one example. I've written down the number 478651293. Let us separate them using commas. You will separate the periods using commas. So I have put commas after three digits. So it represents ones, thousands, and millions period. Now we'll see one more example. I have 786519293. I separated them using commas. Now let us see how we will write this in words. I have 78,651,293. Let us represent this number in the place value chart. So I have ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. So it is 78,651,293. Now, let us try to write the expanded form for this number. For writing the expanded form, we will just multiply the digit with the place value. So I'll multiply 7 with 10 million plus 8 multiplied by 1 million. 6 multiplied by 100,000. 5 multiplied by 10,000. 1 multiplied by 1000. 2 multiplied by 100. 9 multiplied by 10 and 3 multiplied by 1. Let us see how we will write place values and face values of given digits. Now, I have the number 47523468. I have to write the place value and face values of the encircled number. So I have to find the place value of 7, 3 and 6. We will write them in the Indian system of numeration and in the international system of numeration. To know the place value, first write down the number in the place value chart. I have to write the place values of 7, 3 and 6. I'll start with 6. So the place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 10 because it is in tens place. So you can write it either as 6 multiplied by 10, 6 tens or just 60. Now the face value of 6 will be 6 itself. So the face value is the digit itself. The place value of 3 is 3 multiplied by 1000 because it is in thousands place. You can write it as 3 thousands or 3 multiplied by 1000 or just 3000. The face value will remain 3. The next digit is 7. It is in 10 lakhs place. So I will write it either as 7 multiplied by 10 lakh or I can write it as 7 10 lakhs or as 70 lakh. The face value will be 7 itself. Now, in the international system of numeration, you will follow the same steps. The only difference between the place values would be how you put commas or how you write those in words. So we will do the same steps here as well. So the place value of 6 will be the same, that is 60. Face value will never change, it will be the same. Place value of 3 will be again 3000 and the face value will be 3. Now, only for 7, the place value will be called as 7 million. So in Indian system, we had it as 70 lakh. But here we will have it as 7 million. See, the way I have represented using commas will be different for Indian and international system. And the face value of 7 will remain 7. So that is it for today's video. In the next video, I will solve few questions on the topics that we have learned in this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get all the updates of the upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye.